That beautiful person who holds the murli, he's the best of anyone who could ever hold a murli, a long flute. Krishna Shamsundar Vamshidhari, he's the best. He's the crest jewel of all possible flute players. So when he sees the shadow of Radharani's body, what happens then? Udita Maha Smara Avesh. There's different levels of experience in the bhavas, and one is called Duma and Jwalita and Deepta and Sudipta. There's 4 different levels of going deep into the experience of sattvic bhavs. When one experiences and tastes bhakti ras, prem ras, the mixture of all the 5 bhavas, the 4 bhavas springing from and mixing in with the stahi bhava. So it says, Udita Maha Smara Avesh. What happens is Krishna, simply by seeing Radharani's chaya, Radha Anga Chaya Vikshya. Vikshya means iksha. Seeing the Anga Chaya, like we say, the Tribanga Lalitam. Anga means the body, the limbs of the body. Seeing the chaya, the shadow of Radharani's body, then Krishna Sudipta Mahasmara Vesh. Smara Vesh, he enters, Avesh means he deeply enters into a mood of erotic love. Smara means erotic love, amorous desires. And Maha means the most greatest form. Maha Smara means the most, the biggest, the greatest avalanche of amorous desires arises in Krishna's heart to the level of Sudipta. Viksha Udita. Udita means Sudipta. Sudipta Maha Smara Vesh.